Right, good day to all my wonderful online viewers. Just to remind you, if this is your first time of watching this YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, it won't cost you money. Just press the subscribe button, strike the bell also for notification of other videos, and other videos when they come on board you'll be able to see them. Thank you for viewing. Let's continue watching this video. Wonderful students of mine, good day to you all. Today I'm going to be showing you some practical work, but before then let's look at the apparatus, the reagents that are involved in what I want to show you today. Now, as you may not be seeing my face any moment from now, don't be angry, you'll be seeing my body and my hand, I'll be mixing them together. So let's quickly move on to what we have today. Now, this is test tube holder. This is test tube. Can you see that? This is test tube rack. Just like you have your plate rack at home. This is zinc. Zinc from here is zinc. And this one is not just ordinary, this is zinc carbonate. So from this side, I dissolved, from here I dissolved and get this. So this is zinc carbonate. But what we are going to test for here is the zinc inside the carbonate. This is copper. Copper that has been dissolved in water. This is not ordinary copper. Look at it. This is copper sulfate. It's copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. But what we are interested in today is to test for the copper inside. Is that taken? You want to test for copper inside this one. You want to test for the zinc inside this one. This is copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6. This is zinc triazocarbonate 4. And the reagent you want to use is number 1, sodium hydroxide solution. Can you get that? Sodium hydroxide solution. Number 2 is ammonia solution. Yes, who can tell me the odor of ammonia? What does it smell like? Ammonia smell like dash. Put your answer at the comment side, then I will say and mark. So from here, give me some times, then we'll start the practical in earnest. Have a good time with me. Let us continue with this study. Don't be tired of watching. Keep watching until you are able to understand all I'm explaining. Alright, just look at this. This is test tube holder. This is test tube. I'm going to clip it now. Yeah, the reason for this is such that your hand will not get mingled with the chemical. Let me pour this. Can you remember this is copper solution that has been dissolved, copper that has been dissolved. I put little quantity inside this test tube. So the first thing I will add is sodium hydroxide in drop. Can you see? It gives a blue precipitate in essence. The precipitate does not dissolve in essence. The blue precipitate still remains. You can see something like mucor inside. It did not dissolve. Now let me add ammonia in drop. The precipitate did not dissolve. In essence, the precipitate dissolves to give a deep blue coloration. As you can see, the precipitate dissolves. Look at the top part. To give a deep blue, it dissolves from the top. The dissolution is going down to give a deep blue coloration. That shows that copper is present. Now I'm going to change this test tube, put another one. As you can see, as I put another one now, You can remember what I told you. This is zinc solution. I pour little quantity here. Zinc solution, little quantity of zinc. This one is sodium hydroxide in drops. Can you see? It gives a white precipitate in excess. The precipitate dissolves in excess sodium hydroxide. That shows that zinc is present. Not only zinc, aluminium, calcium, they are also present. But let us go on to see the reaction. I'm changing this one now. The reaction with NH3 solution. Yes, I take another test tube and I put it in the test tube holder. As I put it in the test tube holder now, I pour a little quantity of the solution of zinc. Can you see that now? Little quantity of the solution of zinc plus ammonia in drop. If you check it well, we have white precipitate. Can you see white precipitate in excess? The precipitate dissolves. Can you see how it's going? The precipitate dissolves to give a clear solution. So that shows that zinc can dissolve in excess sodium hydroxide. Zinc can dissolve in excess ammonia. So this is very interesting, and you can do that on your own anytime. In case you have any question, you can put it at the comment side. So have a wonderful day as you subscribe to this channel.